you can perform any complex task. It will control whole of your browser and will perform task for you. Like you can get top 10 latest AI update or top 50 latest AI update, or you can book a flight from source to destination. It will take care of everything. So in this particular demo, first I will show you demo of Hugging Face. Like I want to visit on Hugging Face and I want to list down this particular spaces of the week. So for this requirement I have given this particular prompt: give me spaces of the week from huggingface.co, and I will run this particular AI agent. So now you can see the browser has opened and it will perform whole task by its own. It has opened huggingface.co and now it is analyzing the UI. It will go to spaces. Now you can see it went on spaces. It will find spaces of the week and will close the browser. So you can see it is analyzing the result, and now browser has been closed. So we can see output has been printed. Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I hope you will be doing great in your life. So in my previous video I have covered this particular AI agent midscene.js, where you need to just install one Chrome extension and this particular AI agent can control your browser and can perform tasks for you. But in today's video I will cover one new AI agent, that is BrowserUse WebUi, and it can perform any level of complex task. You just need to give a prompt and AI agent will complete that complex task for you. So in this video I will guide you step by step how you can install this particular AI agent in your local machine and how you can start using it. So a brief summary about this particular AI agent I will explain that first. So it is built on top of this particular AI agent browser use, where you can see number of stars and forks here. So it is very famous repo browser use, and this particular web UI is built top on it. Now I will tell you how you can install this in your local machine. So for installing that particular AI agent in your local machine, first you need to go to this repo and you need to copy link from here. So I will copy link from here, and then you need to open your Visual Studio Code and you need to clone this repo. You can clone this repo using this particular command git clone and repo URL. So as I already cloned this particular repo, so I will not do this again. You can clone this repo, and after that you can scroll down and then you need to install this particular package BrowserUse. So you need to copy this particular thing, you need to go to your terminal, you need to copy this particular command and it will install BrowserUse for you. So I already installed, so for me it is showing requirement already satisfied. So after that you need to install Playwright. So you need to copy this particular command and you need to go to a Visual Studio Code again, and again you need to paste this command and you need to install this thing. So I already installed Playwright also. So for me it did not take any time. For you it can take up to 5 minutes. After cloning that repo and installing both of the packages, you will show this particular folder here. So you need to expand this folder, and here you can see requirement.txt and you need to install these all 5 packages. For this you need to run this particular command pip install -r requirements.txt and it will install every package you will need. So I already installed every package. So for every package it is showing requirement already satisfied. So I will clear this particular window. After that you will find a file here .env. In your case it will be like .env.example. I will show you first in GitHub repo how you will see this particular .env. So in your case it will be like .env.example. So you just need to remove .example here, and in this particular AI agent you can utilize Google LLM, Anthropic LLM, DeepSeek LLM. So any LLM you want to use, you need that particular API key. So in this particular video I am using Google Flash 2.0 experiment. For this I will be needed Google API key. So how you will get this particular API key? You need to go to browser and you need to type Google AI Studio and you need to log in Google AI Studio. After that the interface will be shown like here, and you will get option of get API key here, and you just need to click on create API key. Then API key will be generated. You need to copy this particular API key, and then you need to copy your API key here. After doing this particular AI agent is ready to use. So for that I will go to that GitHub repo. I will copy this command, and with the help of this particular command you will able to run webui.py at IP this and port number this. So now you need to hit enter, and after that you need to open this particular URL like IP and colon port number. So when you will open this particular URL, you will able to see this particular UI. Now you can use this particular AI agent from here. So as I am using Google API key, so I will select Gemini here, and I will select this model Gemini 2.0 flash experimental. You can go with any particular LLM provider, and you can change model name accordingly and key accordingly. And after that you need to type your task here. So first I will ask for, so first I will ask for what is current price of Bitcoin in USD. Now when I will run this particular agent, this will automatically open my browser. It will search for price of Bitcoin, and then it will find information and will be shown here. So I will run this particular AI agent. So you can see this browser has been opened, and you can see current price of Bitcoin USD has been searched. It will analyze the UI, it will find the price, and it will show in my output window. So I will open that UI, and you can see the current price of Bitcoin is this much and USD. Now let me try some complex task here, like find me top 10 latest AI news of today, and I will run this particular AI agent again. So now you can see the browser has opened again, and it will search for that particular query, and now it will analyze the particular UI, and it has closed the browser, and you can see top 10 latest AI news of today. And let me now try more complex task. I will give find me cheapest flight from Delhi to Bangalore on 12th January, and I will run this particular AI agent again. So you can see now the browser window has been opened, and it is searching for cheapest flight from Delhi to Bangalore on 12th January, and it has searched that particular thing. Now it will analyze the UI, and it will open one of the site, and it will fetch information according to our query, and it will try to fill information in source and destination, and it will give results. So you can see it has given the final result. The cheapest flight from Delhi to Bangalore on January 12th is priced at 12,000. So you can modify according to this, like you can ask for link, and it will provide you anything. We will meet in some next video. Till then, bye bye.